Welcome to Nourish Nation. Are you ready to fuel your morning with vitality and a splash of creativity? Today, we're diving into the world of breakfast drinks that are not only energizing, but also packed with natural goodness. Get ready to transform your morning routine with 3 vibrant concoctions. Let's get started. First on the menu is our Green Power Smoothie. This refreshing blend brings together the best of nature: a handful of spinach, a ripe banana, half an avocado, a tablespoon of chia seeds, and a cup of coconut water. Toss everything into a blender and mix until smooth. This glass of green goodness is a potent source of healthy fats, fiber, and essential vitamins. It's perfect for boosting your morning energy without the caffeine crash. Plus, the vibrant green color is a feast for your eyes. Next up, we have a twist on the traditional chai with our spiced chai latte. Begin by brewing a strong cup of black tea. In a pot, heat a cup of almond milk and gently whisk in a teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, and a pinch of nutmeg. Pour the spiced milk over your tea and add a drizzle of honey for sweetness. This aromatic blend is not only warming but also provides an antioxidant punch, thanks to the spices. Ideal for those cozy mornings when you need a comforting lift. Finally, we present the Citrus Energizer. Start with freshly squeezed juice from 1 orange and half a lemon. Add a teaspoon of raw honey and a teaspoon of grated ginger. Stir everything together with a cup of cold water or coconut water for added hydration and a refreshing spin. This zesty drink is full of vitamin C, helping you fight off morning grogginess and setting a vibrant tone for the day ahead. And there you have it, Nourish Nation. 3 delightful and energizing breakfast drinks to power your morning and nourish your spirit. Remember, your breakfast is your foundation, so make it count with these natural and delicious options. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more nourishing ideas. Cheers to a vibrant morning.